Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be journaling for the second week of May. May 7th is my husband's birthday, so I wanted to pull out some of my birthday scrapbooking supplies to use for this week. And it is this really cute collection that's by Photoplay. It's called Panda Party, and I picked this up at the Scrapbook Expo. So it has several different prints here. There's some cut aparts and some stickers, as well as a matching clear stamp set. So I have this stuff ready. Let's get this cleared off and we will get started. here's my final spread. Oh my goodness, I think this is so super adorable. When I picked this up at the Scrapbook Expo, I knew I would love using it in my planner and also possibly for Traveler's Notebook or Scrapbook page. It's just so cute, and I love all the combinations of the different patterns and everything. Now when I go to fill out my planner, I of course have all my spots with the white, but then on these areas where it's kind of covered up a little bit, that's where I would add the pictures, or if I need to write more, I'll take like another piece of white paper and glue that over the top to fill in. And so anyways, yeah, I really love how this turned out. So I hope you did too. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.